how to get Telegram Premium for free. So if you're trying to get the Telegram Premium subscription for free, if you're trying to use the Telegram app over here, you've been trying to get it for free. First of all, if you tap on the three lines option over here, and if I go to settings, you can currently see that I actually have got a Telegram Premium subscription. If you scroll down, Telegram does not offer you any such a free trials or so on. Otherwise, you would be able to get it for free. But since they don't offer any sort of trials, what is it that you can do? Well, first of all, there is no alternative way to actually get Telegram Premium for free unless someone gifts you. So if someone is a Telegram user, and they can actually gift you Telegram Premium if they want to, or you can participate in some kind of giveaway. So there was a large giveaway happening last time out that was offering about 100 Telegram Premium channels. So you might want to actually check those giveaways and keep in touch with contests and so on. Other than that, there is no way to crack it or to mod it and to get it for free. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.